What's up guys, how you doing? Another video today on the BMW. So as many of you guys know, I have a BMW E60 and I have the 520D model. Now the engine in my car is the N47 engine. Now that's notorious for timing chain failure, and typically when the chains tend to fail, it's somewhere between 100,000 and 140,000 miles. Now obviously there is some anomalies where, you know, chains are failing at like 60,000-70,000 miles, or there's also some engines that the chain just doesn't seem to you know, snap on them, so they just last for like, you know, 200,000 miles or whatever, which is all well and good, but for the most part on the engines where the chain does snap, it's somewhere between 100,000 and 140,000. So my car is actually on 121,000 now, I believe, so it's right around the time when they tend to snap. And my engine, I've noticed it getting a little bit louder. Now it's hard to really judge if it is the you know, the timing chain itself. It doesn't sound like it's you know, skipping a tooth or whatever, but it just sounds a little bit louder. It just sounds a little bit more rattly. And obviously it's a job that, you know, I was going to do anyway. It's a job that I wanted to do since I got the car, so I already prepared for it, sort of thing. I've already got everything that I need to do it, but it was just a case of finding the time to do it. And obviously I was going to leave it another couple of weeks until I had the time, but now like, I really don't want to wait any longer before I do it. So I'm just like not going to drive the car, because knowing my luck, I'll drive it for like a couple more weeks, put a couple hundred more miles on it, and then like the timing chain will snap. And as we all know, that is like catastrophic engine failure, and it's, you know, we're talking like broken rocker arms and all that, so I don't really want to go into that. So I'm not going to drive the car until I have changed the timing chain in it, and along with that I'm going to do like a whole complete service. I'm going to like replace all the gaskets, sump gaskets, rocker cover gasket. What else I'm going to do? Clean out the intake manifolds, like obviously new oil and filter, new what have we got? New coolant and water, new fuel filter. Like just going to do the complete works on it, like give it a complete overhaul. Oh, new glow plugs, new glow plug module, all that good stuff as well. So yeah, gonna like really just completely overhaul the engine, and I'll just feel so much better, so much more at ease when I do so, because like the N47 engine is just a ticking time bomb. Now I know a whole bunch of you guys are going to say, oh, not every model's affected. That's true, it's definitely true. You know, some engines do just go on forever, you know, without the chain having to be touched. Now it is typically the earlier N47 engine models which tend to fail, so the 07, 08 engines. Mine's a late 2008 engine, so you know, it could be one of those ones that I get away with, but you know, given the fact that it's getting louder, and I'd just rather just do it for, you know, peace of mind. I just want to get it, you know, sorted and done, and obviously it means I can tackle a whole load of the other jobs as well at the same time. Obviously I'll be taking the engine out, and just access to do all the other little jobs will be much easier. So, but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update with what's going on. You know, my timing chain, I'm pretty sure it's on its way out now, so yeah, I don't want to push it anymore, don't want to leave it any longer. It is going to be the next job, the next major job that I do on the car. I don't want to put any more miles on it before I do it. And yeah, so I hope you guys look forward to that. I'm going to probably make like a whole series doing it, because as far as I know, there's actually not like a detailed guide on how to replace the timing chain for this engine. So I'm going to make like a whole step-by-step series. So if any of you guys, you know, have this problem, you want to replace the timing chain, you can just follow along my videos, hopefully, and you know, just basically do it yourself at home. So that's the plan anyway. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it's been informative. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you guys in that next video. Peace!